In local news, the Australian Medical Association is sounding the alarm over a decline in WA's childhood immunisation rates. The organisation's departing president says recent public health campaigns haven't worked and has warned deadly diseases will re-emerge if rates continue to fall.
Michael Page is finishing up his term as WA President of the AMA and is using his last days to sound the alarm over childhood vaccinations.
If our vaccination rates for children drop much lower, we will be sort of sitting below a herd immunity threshold for some of these childhood illnesses, and we will see them spread and we will see long-term disability and death in children.
Dr Page says diseases like measles, diphtheria and whooping cough will return if the government doesn't make vaccinations its top public health priority.
But they've never seen them, so they don't understand that they are actually very serious illnesses. And if you've never seen it, maybe there's a bit of complacency there.
WA's childhood vaccination rates lag behind the country at every age. For 1 and 2 year olds, WA's rates are the worst in the nation. By the time they reach 5, WA kids rank third last when it comes to full immunisation.
The vaccinations are absolutely safe. They've been used for many decades. And yet we're seeing a reluctance of parents to vaccinate their children, which is just extraordinary.
Since 2020, childhood vaccination rates in WA have dropped between 2 and 3%. Experts say misinformation is one of the biggest roadblocks.
Governments need to be putting out communications and addressing misinformation and disinformation that people are exposed to, or particular worries that often emerge in particular communities.
Making vaccinations accessible, in particular for people in the regions, is an ongoing challenge.
If we want our immunisation programs to flourish, it has to be incredibly easy for people to be vaccinated.
She says despite the AMA's concerns, compared to the rest of the world, Australia is still well ahead. Lily Cristanto, ABC News.